Okay, mate, gonna go outside and start up Susqvarna. It's not half fun, it's so Susqvarna. Now 8 rem instead of a 7. Pretty sure you can pull this quite easily. I got my longer bar on, 20-inch, longer chain, full chisel, beautiful sharp. Same chain and bar I used last time I was doing this. And I'll start up, it's only a free start. Got the new carby, the old carby, where's that? Up here. Okay. Me. Where's the pin rod? That's the old carby. That was out 4 turns. So I've turned the new carby out 3 turns. Just for a quick tune up to see how history runs. It's my store. Hasn't had 24 hours yet. Probably had about 19 hours, but it's enough time for the glue to go off. Base gasket, 21,000 squish on one side of the cylinder and 20,000 on the other side. So should be a pretty warm store. Well, let's go outside. I hope she starts up easy. I'll probably have to tune her a bit. There she goes. On, choke, right. On. Here, carby. I think. That's all. New carby. Alright. Give the new carby another half bit of a turn on the low. Quarter more turn. There's your fuel. A little bit more fuel. Turn the choke back on. There you go. Now look, there's fuel. Give more fuel and low. That's all. Here's more choke. Thank you. Cheap carby. Wow. That's terrible. Bust all. Nickel valve, of course. More choke. Oh, that's terrible carburetor. Leave more fuel. Half turn more. Try it again. Bust all. Here comes our blade. Choke. old carburetor, I think. Joke. Yeah, carburetor starts. It should be running good by now. Another half turn. Go back to the old carby. What bloody hell. Not good. That decom about to fall apart now. Bloody hell. What else? Try one more time. Carby's no good. Cheap stuff. Cheap, no good. Hits out about 3 turns and low. No air leak, just bad carby. I'll go back to the old carby and see if she runs. Let's try this again. Now I pulled off the new carby and might be the carby's fault. I ran this out 4 times on the high. You give more fuel, which probably upset the carby. So I won't front the bit, gas and stuff. I used parts of it, but I couldn't get the straws out. So that one's got no straw, so I'll put the old carb back on. Up the low a little bit, the high, it's the same what it was, out 4 turns, and see if she idles, because all I want to do is idle, and then you call it a day. So I'll pump fuel for the carb again, probably. Hopefully she'll idle. Should idle, it's the same carb I was on it before. Got to change the decom about. Where's that gone now? And that was my Makita one. If it's still, I'd stop because still the decom about falling the cylinder, but being a husky, you don't. It stays inside the cylinder. Let's try that. Story, you buy cheap parts, you have problems. Or you have a cheap carby. I think it was $15 delivered from China, I think, $15 a while back now. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, over and out. Thanks.